Hello and welcome back to Bold TV. I'm David Grasso. Let's talk about taxes. I know it's boring, but we all have to do them. If it's your first time filing your taxes, you'll probably need some help. But should you go with the more affordable virtual option like TurboTax, or should you trust a real-life person to hire an accountant? So I'm going to break it down for you and help you figure out what's best for your finances. So software like TurboTax is usually less expensive, partially because you do a lot of the work yourself. If you're in college or have a basic job and just have one source of income, you could probably file your taxes for free on some platforms. And these platforms make it seem extremely fast and simple, and they walk you through the complicated steps, which could give you the knowledge and confidence to try filing on your own next time. If you have a more complicated tax process, or even just like talking to a human, you might want to hire an accountant. Humans go a long way. Plus, accountants can answer your questions year-round. CPAs take their time handling complicated items that you may miss if you're speeding through a virtual program on your own. The bottom line, there is no right answer. If you're still in college or just have one source of income, TurboTax may fit your price range and the simplicity of your tax solution. But once you're in the real world, or maybe you're getting older and have a retirement account and multiple income streams, you might want to invest in an accountant, because at the end of the day, you could be leaving money on the table and not exercising every possible tax break. And you know what? That means less money in your pocket. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. If you want more video breakdowns, follow Bold TV and GemBiz on all social media platforms. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, conduct yourselves accordingly. Please don't get us banned. Have a great day.